All right, so you saw it here first.
If we're gonna be honest, neither tire is its true size.
Yeah, that's true. There she is, far in the distance. That was louder than I expected. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. We have our buddy Payne here. He has a Silverado that's really similar to my LOI, so I asked him to meet up with me to do a video. We're gonna do a walk around video of his truck, but while we're here, we noticed something very interesting. He's got Fury 35 1550. I have Amp 33 1450. And we noticed that my tires are wider. So we're gonna figure out just how much wider my tires are. Whenever you're buying Fury tires, just keep in mind that it's not gonna be true to size. But before we do that, we're gonna do a full walk around of your truck.
Sweet.
So let's go ahead and I guess start from the front and just do a full walk around of your truck.
Got a 2007 Classic Silverado, 24x14 hostile Vulcans, 35 1550 Fury MTs, McGoy's 7 and 9 inch lift set at 8. Custom built headlights. I actually did these myself.
Oh, nice.
They have the Mid-South LED, half halos, which are flow series and solid. So I mean that's kind of a cool perk because I was gonna get what was his name? Southern Retrofit to do them.
Right.
So he quit.
But then he disappeared.
Yeah, but then he just disappeared off the face of the earth. And he only had solid or flow series. So
right.
That was clutch that Mid-South LED had these. Glass fit headlights, Mid-South LED blinkers, a full carbon exhaust with Flowmaster high flow cats.
That was louder than I expected.
Goes into X-pipe and then into two of their more aggressive line. Carving arm mufflers. Axle dump, 6-inch tips, and then spider tail lights. The classic C-shape. Went with the black because they match the wheels, something I kind of always liked. Cool little color match or whatever you want to call it. And then Adrenaline Off-Road LED reverse lights, which are the brightest I've ever seen.
Really now?
They are, I mean, they're pretty bright. I give them that.
So 07 Classic, so is it an LBZ?
I wish. I wish. It's a gasser, unfortunately.
Gas power.
Gas power, baby.
You're saving up for a Duramax, aren't you?
Saving up for a Duramax. Once I sell this, my next purchase will be a Duramax. I'm tired of gas trucks. I've had 3 now. I've had 2 cat eyes.
Okay.
I think I've had my fun with the gas trucks. Time to move up to Duramax.
Did you already make a video on how to build your headlights?
I did.
Did you post it yet?
Yeah, posted
All right.
it.
So make sure to go check them out. I'll put the link below if you guys are interested in how to build a custom set of headlights. They're pretty easy to do, but
I mean,
it can be difficult too.
It can get sketchy. Definitely make sure you want to seal them up good.
Right.
I didn't do that.
Wait, so it leaks?
It leaks a little bit. It's not terrible.
I think you should try Flex Seal. I told you that before. I'm
gonna try that.
Because to me, it's like if it can keep water out of a boat, it should work for headlights.
I mean,
too,
yeah,
in theory. Theoretically
it should work. So,
right?
I mean, we could try it. We should try it. Don't butcher your plastic with a flathead.
Right, I've done that plenty of times.
Me too. It's got Alpine radio, all Alpine speakers, and then 2 Scar 10s. I'm working on the interior now, getting it all fixed up. But funny story about this truck. The dude I bought it from got this truck from a horse trading deal and then never used it. So then I looked up and got it for, I would say, a good deal. I had to do some work to it when I got it. Whenever I bought it, the front seat was completely broken. Dude snapped the metal in the seat, so I'm riding in the back seat whenever I'm driving.
I'm guessing he was a heavier dude.
He was not on the lighter side, I'll put it that way.
Okay.
He was not on the lighter side, unfortunately. But still a cool guy. Gave me a great deal on the truck. All the speakers were busted, radio halfway worked, the seat was broke, the other seat was messed up too. I'm still working on getting all the water spots out of the windshield, and then he did not take care of the paint at all. It's got tons of scratches, chips, marks, dents everywhere. But that's why I bought the truck, because I wanted to build it. I wanted to actually put some money in and put some time in and build my own truck.
So one thing I want to point out is, oh, here's Caleb. Hey, where's your truck? Not here.
Right here.
This is his daily driver. He does have a truck, a clean OBS. He is trying to sell it.
If you want to buy it, comment on this video, and then
I'll put a picture up.
Somehow we'll get you in contact with me.
Well, you can message him on Instagram.
Yeah, or just DM me.
How much you want for it?
I have it listed for 9.5.
9.5. Clean OBS. If you're up north, come down here to Georgia and buy it because it's rust-free, right?
It is. Also, if you buy it, the faster I can pay this off and the faster I can build another truck. So please help.
Exactly.
Save Caleb's truck life.
That's
please.
right.
Thank you. I approve this message.
Yeah, and share this video to everybody that would want an OBS.
Yes, please.
But one thing I do want to point out is he's got stock, non-color matched mirrors, and he is not a fan of tow mirrors. Well, if you go look at mine are color matched tow mirrors with chrome. I think it looks really good. I'm trying to convince him to get it. How many likes do we have to get for you to get some tow mirrors?
5.
5 likes.
5, that's it.
5 likes. All right, exactly 5. Anything more, anything less, he's not getting tow mirrors.
500.
500 likes?
500 likes. And I'll get tow mirrors.
500 likes, you get tow mirrors?
Yes.
How about I throw something out there? 2,500 likes, I'll buy you a set of tow mirrors.
2,500 likes, I'm getting free tow mirrors. Y'all start, like, share, tell all your buddies.
Yeah, 2,500 likes, I'll buy him a set of tow mirrors and I'll color match it for him. So,
How many likes for you to buy me a Duramax?
cool. 2 million likes, and you're gonna have to reach out to David Dobrik. Not me. These are the headlights that he built. So they're switchbacks?
They're switchback flow
and
series,
flow
solid.
series.
So they have, I gotta connect them. Hold on.
That Bluetooth life. Oh, that is sick.
So they have 200 different chasing modes.
Oh, sick.
And then they have like just the regular color that strobes or flows like that. And then you can just go any solid color pretty much you can make.
Oh, nice.
You can change the brightness, you can change the speed, all that good stuff. If you want to make it dimmer,
Oh,
I can make it dimmer. But they're worth the money to me.
Yeah.
They're worth the money for sure.
Well, if you guys want a set built, he did make a video on it, but if you want, hit him up. He might make you a set. Who knows?
I will make a set for you if you need them.
But don't go full Southern retro and just disappear.
I'm gonna take your money and I'm just leave. Take your money and leave. That's what we're gonna do. But I like them. It's different. Nobody really has these anymore. Since he quit, nobody makes them.
Here's the main event, the main topic of this video, which is Amp tires versus Fury tires. Just how true are the Furies and just how true are the Amp tires. And just by looking at it, 1450s seem to be wider than the 1550s. They're both 14 wides. Mine's 22 by 14. His is 24 by 14. All right, you got the tape measure? Let's do this.
So if we're doing sidewall to sidewall, it says, I mean, you can read that, but
Oh, it is
I
1550?
want to say it is.
Okay, I apologize to Fury that they are actually 1550.
That just is weird to me, considering how
Yours looks so
yours
Is mine 1450?
1450.
No way. Are you serious?
Yeah.
I mean, it's hard to measure like sidewall to
Right.
sidewall, but
Here.
an estimate,
Put it in my hand.
like if we're gonna just do
Yeah.
the whole top,
Oh, that's almost a 1550.
Yeah,
I mean,
mine's
it's there.
yeah, mine's a
But
1550.
if both of these are 14 wides, you would think
Yeah, in
the
theory.
wheel would be in the tire.
That's weird.
Maybe they're measuring, so maybe they're metric. Who knows?
Metric.
Or I don't know. I don't know.
What does
measurements.
1550 metric mean?
I don't know. I'm thinking of like sockets, standard and metric. I don't know. Like it reads it, and that just doesn't make sense to me.
So they're both 1550s, according to your very
Hey, I
very
don't know.
accurate.
I'm not good at math. I don't know how to
This
measure.
doesn't have to be math.
need-
This is just reading the tape measure. This has nothing to do with math.
I mean, in theory.
In theory, that's not how the tape measures work.
I don't know. It's hard. You measure a tire. It's weird.
It is weird.
You can't. Like,
Tires are weird to measure.
You measure this. You just put it there. And then
Yeah,
obviously,
exactly.
But a tire's weird. It's over the. I mean, it's about 15.
It's about 15.
It's over 14 and a half. But I don't know. Maybe they count little pokey pokies. Almost
Man, you're stressing me out.
I don't know. I want to measure this correctly. I don't know how to measure a tire.
Put your hand flat on the back, measure it from your hand.
Well, kind of hard to.
Here. I'm gonna switch sides.
Hold it straight now. Let me cheat.
There we go.
That's not straight.
Measure it to like here. Just press it up against it. There you go. 1450.
This is like a 1475.
1475. So it's not a true 1550
It is not a 1550
at all.
That's not even a 15. It's really, I mean, if we're gonna just be honest, it's a 1450.
1450.
That's what it's reading as.
That's what the tape measure says.
All right. Should we go measure my 1450s and see what they say?
Well, there's that. Yours is like 15, bro.
Mine's like a 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 15. All right.
So
You saw it here first.
if we're gonna
So-
be honest, neither tire is its true size.
Yeah, that's true. What a fraud. 1450, but they sent me 15s.
That's so retarded.
I know.
1550, but they sent me 14.
I know. Maybe they got their factories mixed up.
I mean, I guess so.
And then somebody pointed out a while back that the Fury tread kind of looks like a penis.
It does. So I bought them.
That's why you bought them.
So I bought them. Exactly for that reason.
Wasn't that JW? Didn't JW point that out?
Actually, it wasn't me. You know the amp tires are actually like modeled after Toyos.
Really?
They're like rip off of Toyos, which is why they look so good. But you guys saw it here first. We have the amp 33. Well, right here, amp 33 1450 is really a 15 wide, and then we have the Fury 1550 is really a 14 wide. So if you do need tires and you need the stance, I would say I've been really happy with my amp tires, and I've had Furies too, and in my opinion the ride quality is about the same. I couldn't really tell you about how well they wear because I've only had my Furies for about 2 months or 3 months before I sold them. That's also one of the reasons why I never bought another set of Furies, because I knew they weren't true to size. If I wanted, you know, wide tires, I was either going to get, you know, these or the Nittos because they're pretty true to size. But that's one thing I was kind of scared of buying Fury 1550s, because I knew they weren't really going to be truly that wide. But what else do we need to talk about your truck? Any future plans?
Yes. After cold weather and the rainy months get out, kind of like end of January, I want to go in and kind of like not redo the truck completely, but redo a good portion of the truck. Kind of repaint it. Maybe new wheels and tires.
Okay.
I'm gonna ride these out for a little bit, but maybe new wheels and tires in the future. Something that's true to size.
Right.
Would be nice. Definitely a new grill. You can see it's faded on the edges. Some color matching. Probably not gonna do an off-road bumper.
Okay.
Just cause I just like the way the stock bumpers look.
It's clean.
Want to do long tube headers on it, just to finish off the exhaust. Lots of interior work.
All right, so well, I have a Duramax, but if you guys own a gas truck and if you like gas trucks more than diesels, follow him. Say what?
Huh?
Follow him because it seems like he's got a lot of plans for this truck. McGoy's Lift, you guys know how I feel about McGoy's. They're probably the best lift kit company out there.
Put it on the LOY, your first LOY, and I saw that cost member. I like immediately fell in love with it.
Nice. So you bought a McGoy's because of me?
Yeah, I bought a McGoy's because of you.
You hear that? I want some free McGoy's parts, all right? Nick, if you're watching this, I want some free stuff. So that is it for this video. I do want to go over a couple of days ago, or a couple of videos ago, when this truck went in to get lifted. I told you guys that whoever guessed the exact mileage will win a set of rock lights. Well, my LOI has 218,932. Nobody guessed it. Even Caleb tried 3 times, didn't guess it. He even like messaged me asking me how many miles I had,
Still got it wrong.
so he could cheat, but I never told him. But nobody got it right, unfortunately. So what I'm gonna do is,
Give them to me.
sure. If you can guess how many miles are on my LML, I'll give you a set of rock lights. So leave a comment below, let me know how many miles you think my LML has. Make sure to go subscribe to Payne I'm honestly not sure how many subscribers he's got right now, but he is trying to do YouTube. He's an upcoming YouTuber. You really gotta appreciate the grind, and if you like truck stuff, make sure to go follow him, subscribe to him, especially if you have a gas truck. I know a lot of you guys that follow me have gas trucks and may not be able to relate with some of the mods that I do. So if that's the case, make sure to go follow Payne for his gas truck build. But that is it for this video. I appreciate you guys as always. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Peace.